Uh-oh.
Hi everyone. So we're going to Big Bear. Actually no, we're going up the mountain right now. We still got about another hour to get up the mountain. But right now, my dad is just putting on the chains so we don't get stuck, and there's a grip. And yeah, but it is snowing right now. It's rain and snow. People are out here. You can see they're all parked out up there. Is she asleep?
Yeah.
I was like half asleep and I felt a tap on my foot and I woke up. But it's really cool out here.
Cold or cool? Both.
Cold. It's cold out here.
Finally made it, what, like 5 hours later?
Oh.
Emma's awake now.
Yes, Dad. Wait, were you filming me when I was asleep?
There's just one clip.
4.5 hours since we got here.
Do I have anything on my face?
Yeah, you have 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth.
Did you draw anything?
Oh no. What the heck? We didn't have anything in the car to draw on, or we would have, to be honest.
I didn't know that.
Snowing, it looks so cool up here.
4 hours and 30 minutes to get here.
Yeah, it took really long. Alright, there it is right there. That is what we are going down. Woo.
I mean, we've gone down it.
Yeah, but not with snow falling. I'm just excited.
Poop rain.
It's poop rain? Poop rain, Emma?
Dude. Your feet gang up.
Are your hands cold? Your hands look a little cold. This part sucks so bad. Look how cold, look how Rocco is. This sucks so bad going against the snow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it hurts. Woo, I hope I don't fall. Hi, Rocco. Sorry for the video quality, guys. It's horrible up here. Go, Rocco, you don't have to wait for me, dude. Go. Are you throwing snowballs at people? You can get.
No, I swear.
Mm-hmm.
I swear to God. Like a big ball?
Uh-huh. It's a really good ball. Oh, that's just so satisfying.
Hold on.
And it's all clean.
Hold on.
You guys want to hear some heartbreaking news? Well, it's heartbreaking on my end. So I was coming down the hill and I took a couple spills and I put the GoPro in my pocket. I can't find it. I lost it up there. I came down the hill, looked at my pocket, and there's no GoPro. It's Rocco's brand new Christmas present. I feel so bad. I'm gonna get him a new one. Okay, I promise you, Rocco, I'm gonna get you a new one, okay? I'll get you a new one, I promise. Okay? I'm sorry. Don't hate me.
I don't hate you.
See, you guys, this is what I love about Rocco. Even if you do something like you are like you feel so bad about, and like you feel just so bad, Rocco just comes over and like gives you a big hug. He's such a sweet kid. That's one of the many things I love about that kid right there.
Stuff happens and there's accidents, right?
Whatever he said. I don't know what you said.
Stuff happens and accidents happen, right?
I know, I'm sorry, dude. That was
All
brand
right.
new. Ah! Yeah, you take one shot at me, right here in the chest. It's huge. Oh! Oh.
Are you alright?
Yeah. Oh. I think we're gonna wrap it up here. If you guys can see, it's really, there's a storm going on. It's snowing, and me, Emma, and Rocco have came to the conclusion that we don't like riding this. It's not as fun as it was last time. We're ready to go. It's only been like 2 hours, but we're ready to go. You want to jump?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. That's funny, because you've been wearing a helmet all day. Put your head down. You've been wearing a helmet all, your scooter helmet, you have little like wet spots matching your helmet.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna make a right at the next one, it looks like.
Oh my gosh. How are we driving?
We don't know, Rocco. By miracle.
Make a right, yeah.
Jeez.
Just go slow.
We're gonna do a drift. Icicles.
Horrible storm.
Nope.
Horrible. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at Rocco.
Sucks. See?
Well then.
You might want to hit your windshield wipers.
I'm trying to, they're not moving.
You're gonna have to beat that.
I will.
This blows. I can't roll down the window.
Get on straight for now.
So much bleeding.
Pull to your right here.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Right here?
Yep.
Oops. Sorry, guys.
We're sorry!
We're totally just blocking the road right now. This is so bad. There they go. Oh, that guy's chain or something came off right in front of you. That guy stopped. Are we ever gonna make it home? I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Is there anybody right behind me?
No, you're good.
That's all you got. That's all you get. Just stop and drive.
Uh-oh.
Why is it blinking?
There you go.
Yeah! Oh, you did it! Let's see what adventure holds next. So what you just saw was a sketchy detour. That's basically what it was.
Oh my god, the camera's fogging up.
It's so cold up here. Let's see, hold on.
And I got a sweatshirt and a hoodie. And I'm still
It's cold.
It's very, very cold.
Yeah, we took a sketchy detour so that we could not hit traffic. And it worked.
It worked.
It worked.
It saved us
God,
10
it
hours.
If not, we'd still be back there.
Yeah.
Things would be real bad right now.
So now there's like no one in front of us. It's just us on the road. People getting
They
stuck
got tires
everywhere.
off and everything?
Jeez.
Did they blow a tire with the chain
Dang. Sorry.
Oh.
Sucks for you. And you. Alright, so from the last clip that you guys just saw before this clip, we were in that traffic. We're sitting still like a parking lot, just sitting there on the mountain in traffic for, I kid you not, 2 hours. Huh.
We're on the mountain for 2 hours, but it took us an hour to get home.
Yes. Like after we got off the mountain, it took us like 45 minutes to get home. Like no joke. It was the worst. Well, actually it wasn't too bad because we kind of took a nap.
Y'all did.
You did too!
I got like half an hour.
No, you got a good hour. You were sleeping on my arm. Kept trying to put him back up and he'd be like, no. I'd be like, oh my god, I have a dead arm. And I'd put him back up. No. But I'm like, what is going on? So we finally made it home. Like I said before, I lost Rocco's GoPro. And I feel so terrible about it. I am driving 30 minutes away to get him Krispy Kreme. Look at that face. It doesn't mean it's Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme is so amazing.
Hi.
Put your little Swiss Army knife away. Luckily we left at a good time. There's like no rain right now. It's like clear. Thank gosh.
Look at those clouds.
We're here. Yay. Ready for it? Open that door and get a whiff, Rocco. Oh. Oh my gosh.
There's some more. There's more. See it? Yeah, good job.
Go, 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 go. Oh.
I just want to take a bath.
I do want to take a bath in that. Might be a little sticky, but I'd take a bath in that. Woo! Heck yeah, look at those things, guys. Look at that, Rocco. Rocco! Can't wait till we get home.
No. Alright, ready? One
No,
shot?
really he couldn't, so we got him these cute little mini donuts.
Alright, you ready? One shot? I'm losing it right now. Alright. 3, 2.
Hey, don't make yourself sick, yo. Oh my, Rocco. Was it everything you thought? Worth the goofing off? I think we're just gonna outro the vlog right here. I think we're just done for the night. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna edit. Rocco's gonna play with Joe, eat Krispy Kremes, fall asleep. I might find him with Krispy Kremes in the morning all over his bed. I don't know. The box might be in his room. I don't know.
Sneak at night?
You're probably gonna hear little footsteps at night.
I got loud footsteps.
Yeah, he ain't got a little one. He got a loud one.
So, there's glaze everywhere. So that was today's vlog. Hope you guys like it. Sorry for the bad condition. And that was today's vlog. Make sure you like. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. What do you want to see us do next? Alright? Alright, so go.
Okay.
Did you cut it?
Yeah, camera's off.
Alright.
Alright, fine, it's off. Hey, Rocco.